we're kicking off the 2023 Grey Cup Festival Week with our own Grey Cup Morning Live Tailgate Party right here at our own canteen. Decorations are provided from the 2023 Grey Cup Festival. Let's kick things off with Chef Corbin joining us now, showing off Goman's and KitchenAid appliances with some tasty dishes.
Tasty dishes.
What do we got here?
We are going to do the quintessential tailgate dish. Are you ready?
Let's hear it.
Grey Cup skillet nachos.
Love it. These look delicious.
So you actually put them in the pan, you serve them in the cast iron pan, and you cook them on the stovetop. You start it here, we finish it off in the convection oven, wall-mounted oven, and then you serve it. Okay. Now maybe you won't have an oven at the tailgate, but you could fake it.
You could fake it.
You could fake it.
Any kind of heat source?
Any kind of heat source. The twist on these nachos, there's a little bit of a healthy twist. And I know you think healthy and nachos, they typically don't go hand in hand, but today I'll show you.
All right.
We're gonna do it with ground turkey. Nice lean protein, right? This is super healthy, easily available at any butcher or supermarket. And we're gonna saute it in a pan.
And the onions are pre-sauteed?
I pre-sauteed them to save some time. We're cooking on the induction cooktop, which is, I'll tell you, a person's best friend in the kitchen because one, it's safe, energy efficient, easy to clean, and my favorite part of it is the sliding power bar right here, so you are in control. Just with one finger. One finger.
Safe. Why is this a safer
route? Because the cooktop actually doesn't get hot. The heat is conducted into the pan. The pan is hot, but the cooktop
That's neat.
hot,
That's
right?
neat.
So it's safe, so it's good for cooking with kids, young families, elderly people, any type of thing, and again, easy cleanup.
All right. How long will you do this for?
This is gonna cook for about 4 or 5 minutes, just until the juices run clear and the turkey is cooked all the way through. If you don't want to do turkey, you could do a lean ground beef, you could do ground pork, sliced Italian sausage, maybe you want to put a little influence of chorizo in there and add some heat. But the idea is you cook the turkey with the onions and the garlic, a little bit of olive oil, and you render it all the way through. You can add some spices, so this is the taco seasoning that everybody has in their pantry at home.
And once you really add the taco seasoning, does it kind of take away any kind of beef or turkey taste?
It adds power and heat. But yeah, I think turkey is a pretty neutral flavored protein. But I think this is why I like it in this recipe, because you can layer in all these other enhancements in here, like this hot sauce that we're putting in there as I'm carefully measuring. But the idea is that you basically...
of hot sauce.
You cook it all in, and like I said, if you find that it's not heating up enough, you just slide it to the right, and you go from like 0 to 10. And it's like that, okay? And then the idea is you take a pan, like so.
We got 2 minutes left.
And you layer in all the nachos, all the cheese, and what you end up is with this. Serve with sour cream, salsa, guacamole, and you got your done. Okay?
Absolutely beautiful. Now, what are these beauties right here?
Those are chicken lollipops. Okay,
right.
Now when you say meat on a stick, you're already excited.
Love it.
Throw in a football and some pigskin and a Grey Cup and you've got a match right there. Chicken on a stick.
Okay.
Okay, anybody can do that.
Yeah.
You're gonna just take and brush a little bit of egg on there, which is gonna act as our glue, okay? And then you're gonna take that and you're gonna roll it in these crushed vegetable and potato chips. So there's sweet potato and beets and everything in here. Again, a little bit of a healthier option. We're not gonna deep fry these. You take them, you put them on a ready-made baking tray. Okay, just like so.
Yep.
If you don't want to do egg, you can just do it like this. You don't have to put the egg in, okay? So these are gluten-free, they're dairy-free. You can make them ahead of time, pop them in the freezer.
This is already a pre-made kind of souvlaki type.
You got it. You can buy them ready-made from your favorite Greek butcher down the street, okay? You can do chicken, you can do pork, you can do beef, you can even do shrimp. And then the idea is you just take them and pop them into the oven over here. Well-mounted oven, bake it for about 15, 20 minutes till the juices run clear, and you end up with that. Now, what's your dip of choice?
What do we got? Tzatziki, and we got what kind of...
Tzatziki or plum?
I'm gonna try the plum.
Plum,
I'm just gonna
okay.
dip.
And because it's, you know, the KitchenAid Goman's kitchen here, you could double dip. I'll let you do it.
That's delicious.
You need to throw in some football analogies. So is
That's a touchdown.
There you go. How many downs did that take?
I went to the end zone and I scored with this. Let's talk about this KitchenAid mixer.
Yeah, so thanks to Goman's and KitchenAid, we've got a KitchenAid stand mixer that we're going to give away. So all they have to do is they have to go onto your socials, enter into the contest, win the draw, and you get your beautiful KitchenAid stand mixer.
That's like a drop back, quarterback, long bomb touchdown.
Now you're throwing it in, yes.
All right, thanks
I was expecting you to wear a helmet today.
My head's too big. I don't want to mess up my anchor quality hair. You know how it is.
They usually say that about chefs. Our heads are pretty big too.
All right, thank you very much, Chef Corbin.
You're welcome.
Plenty more Morning Live coming up after I finish this delicious touchdown of a treat.